Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars and Bikes. We've got a Torana hatchback coming up this month, and the people that restored this car spent an absolute mozza on it. It went through a 4-year restoration about 4 years ago, total rotisserie restoration. It started life as a UC Torana, but they unpicked the front, the dash and the rear to put it back to an LX. It's running an LS1, stage 2 tune, turbo 700 gearbox, which has been all rebuilt, and a 9-inch rear end, 4-wheel disc brake, limited slip with 278 gears. It's got Woolwood brakes, the paint's spot on. He's retrimmed the whole interior in leather, stitched leather, and they've even gone to the trouble of covering the factory GTS steering wheel in stitched leather as well. So money hasn't been a problem when they built this car. They've gone to a major effort with it. It drives very, very tight, and it just presents well. And having the LS engine in it, they're so reliable. 4-speed automatic is going to give you a bit better fuel economy on the highway, and reliable 9-inch rear end. So it comes up this month at Gray's. If you'd like a little bit more information about it, you can pop down to 131 Main Beach Road, Pinkenba, and have a look at the car, or give us a call on 1300 Classic, or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au. So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.